Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off all notification in YouTube. It's very simple and easy, but it's very useful. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on your button. This is located on the bottom right corner. Now tap on gear icon. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Then here you can find an option that is notifications. Now tap on it. Now see here all notifications are turned on and you can turn all them by selectively. See here I turn them all by individual selecting. You can also customize this by individual selecting turn off and on. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.